Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Faust. I hope you all are doing well. It's officially spring break. I hope you guys all had a good week last week. Now, there's no new e-learning assignment for you guys to do this week. There's nothing due. But just in case you're looking for something to do, I wanted to show you guys a really cool website that I enjoy, and you guys might want to play around with it too. Let me show you here. I've got my new tab open on my computer, and the website is called Incredibox.com. So I'm just going to type that into the address bar up here and click go. And once you get to the website, you'll notice here it says try web version or download app. Now the web version is free, but the app is something you have to pay for. So if you're doing this on an iPad, you'll need to use your browser. So right now I'm on Google Chrome, but your iPad would also have Safari. So if you use that and you type this in, you should be able to see this website that I'm looking at right now. So you might have to scroll down a tiny bit, click on the try web version, and then you're going to see this pop up. And it says here you can use headphones. So mine loaded pretty fast. Yours might take a little bit. And you'll see there are some different versions here on the screen. So these bottom three, you have to have the paid version for. But there are still lots of cool things you can do with these free versions on the top. So let's see. I think I'm going to choose the Love. I'm going to see what that version is. So it's going to take a second to load here, and you'll see there's a loading bar. By the way, I'm really enjoying looking at all of the cool projects you guys are turning in. Can't wait to see more of that. Oh, it's ready. So I'm going to click on play. And you'll see these guys, these are all beatboxers, okay? And they don't have shirts on, so we're gonna have to help them get dressed here. And what you do is you can drag and drop all these little hats and masks and glasses and things onto the person, and each color stands for something different. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna choose these headphones, and we're gonna see what that sounds like. Okay, so I don't think you can probably hear the sound that's coming from my computer right now, but this is, it's somebody doing like vocal percussion, like a beat. So I'm just gonna keep adding on here, and it takes a little bit to load. Maybe I'll do a red one. I don't have a red one yet. So you just add these on, and if you kind of hover over it right here, you can also click on the headphones to hear that one part by itself. You can click on the X if you want to make that person be quiet. You can even keep switching these around and changing them. So see how I X'd out of that one? If you want to change what that person is wearing, it'll change what he sings or what he does. So you can play around with that for a while. And this is really cool because it's a super fun way to arrange and kind of mix your own music. So if you've got one you really like and you want to share it, you can even share it with me if you want to. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you have to do is you have to click on these three little lines, the menu, and you're going to click on this red record button. So I'm going to do that, and you'll see it has a little timer up here, and you can record up to 3 minutes if you want to. But to be able to save it or to be able to send it to somebody, it needs to record at least 25 seconds. So mine's almost there right now. I'm just gonna do right at 25 to show you guys how it works. Okay, so there's 25 seconds. Now you'll have to click save as, or save, sorry. And you get to make up your DJ name. So I'm not gonna put my real first and last name. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna put Mrs. F as my DJ name. And then I can make a title for my mix. So I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna call it e-learning. And I'm gonna dedicate it to my students. Then I'm gonna click the check mark. And you can fill whatever you want in for those boxes. So the reason I said don't put your real first and last name is because this gets shared on the internet. So other people can see it when they go to this website, which is really cool, but I would recommend not putting your real first and last name just in case. So then what you could do is you can share it. So if you click on the share button, now it has ways you can share it on Facebook and Twitter, and if you want to do that, if that's okay with your parents, that's fine. But I would really love to hear what you guys come up with if you make one of these mixes, one of these songs. So I'm going to show you how to send this to me on email. So I'm going to click this mail one, and it says my name. So here you can change your name and put your real name. So I'm going to put Mrs. Faust so that I know who sent it to me. And then my email is cfaust@jgsc.k12.in.us. Yep, so I'm going to double check, make sure everything's typed correctly. That looks right. And then I'm going to click, whoops. Oh, I can't have a period there, I guess. So I'm going to make that all one word. And I'm going to send it. And it is all done. So now when I go and check my email, I'm gonna see your Incredibox recording and mix that you made. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you all come up with, and I hope you have a great week. You can check back later on Canvas. I might have another video for you a little bit later this week, but until then, I miss you all, and I hope you're all staying safe and healthy.